Planning a trip to Cabo San Lucas and not sure where to start? Well, you're on the right track, because the first step to a memorable vacation is in the planning. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine the sun gently kissing your skin, the soft lullaby of the waves, the taste of fresh seafood, and the vibrant colors of Mexican culture. Now let's make that dream a reality. Choosing the best time to visit Cabo San Lucas is crucial. You might want to avoid the peak tourist season, which is between November and April. Instead, consider visiting during the shoulder seasons, from May to June or September to October, when the weather is still warm, the crowds are less intense, and prices are more affordable. Now let's talk about flights. As with any destination, booking your tickets well in advance will save you a lot of money. And remember, Cabo San Lucas is served by the Los Cabos International Airport. Next up, understanding the local customs and culture. Mexico is a country rich in traditions, and Cabo San Lucas is no exception. Brush up on your Spanish phrases, learn about local etiquette, and immerse yourself in the vibrant Mexican culture. And don't forget to try the local cuisine, which we'll delve into more in the next scene. Keep an eye on local events or festivals as well. Cabo San Lucas hosts a myriad of events throughout the year, from the spectacular Bisbee's Black and Blue Marlin Tournament to the vibrant San Jose del Cabo Art Walk. These events could add a unique twist to your vacation, or they could mean bigger crowds, so plan accordingly. And lastly, don't forget to pack your sense of adventure, because Cabo San Lucas offers a wealth of experiences, from snorkeling in the Sea of Cortez and whale watching, to exploring the Arch of Cabo San Lucas and the lively San Jose del Cabo Art District. Remember, a well-planned trip is the first step to a memorable vacation. So, start planning your dream Cabo San Lucas trip today. Wondering where to satisfy your taste buds in Cabo? Let's dive into a sea of flavors, from local seafood spots to the most refined dining experiences. Cabo San Lucas has my stomach hungry for the best of Baja cuisine and beyond. Imagine this. You're seated at a rustic seaside shack, the salty breeze teasing your hair. Freshly caught fish, grilled to perfection, is served on your plate. This is the charm of local seafood spots. They offer an authentic touch with dishes like fish tacos, ceviche, and pescado zarandeado, a grilled snapper dish marinated in a flavorful mix of spices. But where do you find these hidden gems? Look for places bustling with locals. They're the best barometers of quality and authenticity. Also, be adventurous. Try the daily specials, which often feature the freshest catch of the day. On the other end of the spectrum, Cabo is home to some of the most exquisite high-end dining experiences. These restaurants serve gastronomic delights that are as much a feast for the eyes as they are for the palate. Expect to find menus that meld local ingredients with international techniques, creating dishes that are both innovative and grounded in tradition. For instance, you might find yourself savoring a beautifully plated Baja lobster tail, served with a velvety mole sauce and locally sourced vegetables. Or perhaps a seared sea bass, its delicate flavor enhanced by a tangy tamarind glaze. Don't forget to pair your meal with a local wine or a craft cocktail for the complete Epicurean experience. And of course, a word on desserts. From traditional flan to decadent chocolate creations, the dessert menus in Cabo are not to be missed. They offer the perfect sweet ending to your dining adventure. In Cabo, every meal is an opportunity to explore, to discover new flavors, and to make lasting memories. So, whether you're a fan of the simple yet satisfying seafood fare, or you're in the mood for a gourmet feast, you're in the right place. Whether it's a cozy local seafood spot or a luxurious dining experience, Cabo has it all. Looking for the perfect place to stay in Cabo? Well, you're in luck. Cabo has a myriad of accommodations to fit any budget, making it a haven for every kind of traveler. Let's dive into some options, shall we? First off, for the budget-conscious globetrotter, there are plenty of affordable hostels and guest houses. These options offer a cozy and communal atmosphere, where you can meet fellow travelers from around the world. Imagine swapping stories from your day's adventures over a shared kitchen meal, or teaming up for a spontaneous snorkeling trip. It's not just about saving money, it's about gaining experiences. But perhaps you're looking for something a bit more private, yet still within a reasonable budget. Consider renting a vacation apartment or a condo. These options give you a home away from home, complete with your own kitchen and living space. Plus, they often come with amenities like pools or access to private beaches. It's the perfect middle ground between affordability and luxury. Now, if you're after a more immersive experience, why not try a boutique hotel? These establishments often showcase local architecture and artistry, offering a taste of Cabo's culture right at your doorstep. Marvel at the Mexican craftsmanship in the lobby, enjoy locally sourced meals in the on-site restaurant, and take in the stunning views from your room. It's a unique way to experience the local flavor without even leaving your hotel. And of course, for those seeking the ultimate indulgence, Cabo is home to some of the world's most luxurious resorts. Picture infinity pools overlooking the ocean, world-class spas offering rejuvenating treatments, and five-star dining under the stars. It's an experience that's worth every penny, providing memories that will last a lifetime. So whether you're a backpacker on a shoestring budget, a family seeking a comfortable stay, a culture enthusiast craving authenticity, or a luxury seeker yearning for opulence, Cabo has you covered. With such a wide range of accommodations, there's a perfect fit for every traveler in Cabo. Ready to dive into the crystal clear waters of Cabo? Let's start with snorkeling in the Sea of Cortez. Often referred to as the world's aquarium, this vibrant sea is home to more than 1,000 marine species. Imagine immersing yourself in the water, with colorful fish darting around you and the sun's rays filtering through the ocean's surface. Snorkeling here is not just about sightseeing underwater, but also about appreciating the incredible biodiversity. To ensure your safety, always stay close to your guide, keep an eye on currents, and remember, don't touch the marine life. Next up, whale watching. Every year, humpback and grey whales make their way to Cabo's warm waters to give birth. This spectacle of nature is something to behold. Watch in awe as these majestic creatures breach the surface, their massive bodies momentarily airborne before splashing back into the water. It's an experience that will leave you speechless. To maximize this experience, bring a good pair of binoculars and remember, patience is key. Whales operate on their own time, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. And finally, deep-sea fishing. Cabo is a world-renowned fishing destination, offering the chance to catch marlin, dorado, and tuna, among other species. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a newbie, you'll enjoy the thrill of the hunt. One tip to remember is to respect the ocean. Practice catch and release, especially for species not in season, to help maintain the ocean's ecological balance. So, whether you're exploring the underwater world of the Sea of Cortez, witnessing the majestic dance of the whales, or casting out for the big one in the deep sea, Cabo's ocean activities are sure to bring out the adventurer in you. And remember, while these activities are an absolute thrill, safety should always be your #1 priority. Cabo's ocean activities are not just fun, they're unforgettable. What are the must-see sights in Cabo? Let's dive right in. First on our list is the iconic arch of Cabo San Lucas, locally known as El Arco. This rock formation, sculpted by the sea and wind, serves as a gateway between the Pacific Ocean and the Sea of Cortez. The best way to experience El Arco is by boat. Many local tour operators offer trips, and some even include a visit to a sea lion colony. The most picturesque time to visit is at sunrise or sunset, when the sun casts a golden hue on the rocks. Next, we have Lovers Beach, a secluded paradise accessible only by water. This beach boasts crystal clear turquoise waters, perfect for swimming and snorkeling. On one side, you'll find the Sea of Cortez, calm and inviting. On the other, the Pacific Ocean, wild and untamed. Remember, safety first. Stick to the Sea of Cortez side for swimming. While you're there, don't forget to explore the dramatic rock formations and hidden coves. Our final stop is the vibrant San Jose del Cabo Art District. This place is a cultural gem, boasting a rich collection of galleries showcasing works from local and international artists. The district comes alive every Thursday evening during the art walk. You can explore the galleries, enjoy live music, and even meet some of the artists. It's a fantastic way to immerse yourself in the local culture. In terms of getting around Cabo, taxis and rental cars are readily available. However, to truly experience the local vibe, consider using public transportation or even biking for shorter distances. And there you have it. From the natural wonder of El Arco, the secluded beauty of Lovers Beach, to the cultural richness of the San Jose del Cabo Art District, Cabo's sights are a feast for the senses. From natural wonders to lively art districts, Cabo's must-see sights are sure to leave a lasting impression. Before we wrap up this guide to Cabo San Lucas, let's take a moment to reflect on the breathtaking experiences this destination has to offer. The natural beauty of El Arco, the tranquility of Lovers Beach, and the cultural richness of the San Jose del Cabo Art District. Each of these experiences contributes to the enchanting allure of Cabo San Lucas, a place where the desert meets the sea, where the old world blends seamlessly with the new, and where every day brings a new adventure. Whether you're a foodie, a nature enthusiast, a culture vulture, or just looking for some rest and relaxation, Cabo San Lucas has something for everyone. As we say in Cabo, mi casa es su casa, meaning my house is your house. We hope this guide has given you a glimpse into the warm and welcoming spirit of Cabo San Lucas, and we look forward to seeing you here soon. If you enjoyed this guide to Cabo San Lucas, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and guides. And remember, the adventure is always out there waiting. Safe travels.